Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking a look at this brand new floor plan. This is a 2023 Grand Design Reflection 298BH. This is the replacement floor plan for the 28BH. They are the same length. It's basically the same frame, just without one slide, but we'll get to that later. Let's start on the outdoor entertainment space. Here we are in the outside, and this floor plan is a great one if you're looking to host some parties outside or even have a nice outdoor space to eat and hang out and relax. You have no slides to hinder anything, and you have one entryway that leads right close to the kitchen, so everyone can go in and out and get to the bathroom, the living space inside and outside really easily. Now, one of the changes between this floor plan, which is new, and the older 28BH model is this outdoor kitchen that they have added. So I definitely think that's going to be a plus for most, so let's check that out. I love an outdoor kitchen, and especially one with this new griddle top they have here. And it's always a plus to have a drink station outside, or maybe an extra condiments for your friends and family, so that way we're not all going in and out. They do have a nice light and a really good sturdy place to have some extra supplies that you need to bring. All of this is under a massive awning as well, and we've got that LED light strip, so this thing will shine at night. And check out all of these windows. These are great for cross airflow and so that the inside can hang out with the people outside without actually having to come outside. But let's take a look at the storage. The storage for this fifth wheel is pass-through storage near the front cap. We've got plenty of room down here for everything we have to bring on our trip. I love that it's fully finished out with some really heavy-duty materials, as well as a lining that is screwed in, and you can see those screws, so it's really good quality. We do have an outlet underneath here for our outdoor entertainment space, and we also have our battery disconnect on our opposite than the driver's side. On the driver's side of the camper, you've got your convenience bay with everything you need as far as tanks and that winterization. And speaking of winterization, now is the time. It's a little bit colder here in Tennessee, and we are getting in that fall season towards the winter. So winterize as soon as you can and make sure you protect your unit. Give us a call if you would like to know more about that, maybe here with us. But I'm cold, let's go inside. While I warm up a little bit inside of this camper, just a few reminders. Give this video a like. Let us know down below if you have any questions or just some comments. We'd love to talk to you guys. And also subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification icon so you get notified when a new floor plan is dropped. We try to do our best, and we do have some new floor plans coming to Cookeville RV and Marine. So if you're interested, click our playlist, let us know what you want to see. And let's get started with this 298 on the inside. A little refresher. The changes between this and the 28BH are no slide in the bedroom for that wardrobe, and they added that outdoor kitchen, but we still get the amazing space provided by this floor plan. You got a big dinette, nice big fridge, and that bunk room is impressive too. But let's start off at the entryway. Here we are, the only entryway to this fifth wheel. Again, we got a nice frosted window bringing in lots of lighting. You can also see people, silhouettes of people outside. So we've gotten a few people that have floor plans that they're like, I can't see my front door. You've got a window right next to your door, and you've got a frosted glass for a little bit of extra privacy. Friction screen door added, of course, and right when we walk in, our control bay is right front and center behind this lovely cabinet. We do also have our solar gauge. So it has a little bit of an arrow, it has an up option, a down option, so it can tell you when you're using your solar energy or when you're charging your battery. So I like that addition to it, as well as in front of me I've got my indoor-outdoor speaker system controls right next to the door, and that even has a place for a DVD player, so you can play that on the speakers and have a great movie night here as well, even if it's a rainy day. But let's take a look at our living space. Let's talk trifold sofa. So yes, this is a trifold sofa. It's a great place for your guest. If you need an extra bed, you can use this, but we've got so many in this floor plan, so you may not need it. It's a great place for your friends to sit while you're cooking if you've got a few guests over at the campsite and they want to hop inside. Very comfortable and out of the way, so it's a good conversation area. Above me, we also have this gorgeous built-in with storage. It's got a place that I can sort of throw my electronics on it when I come in the door, or even sort of a catch-all. And also behind me, we do have a mirror built into this floor plan. There's usually a functional reason for mirrors, but I am all for a manufacturer putting in a mirror so I don't have to worry about it. And it's right front and center so everyone in the camper can use it, so not everyone's rushing to the bathroom to use that mirror. Just something that I personally appreciate. But the dinette is a really comfortable space. Just for a little bit of reference, I'm about 6 foot tall and I can sit underneath this table with my legs crossed, so I'm not bumping the poles as I'm getting in. You've got plenty of room as an adult, and kids would definitely love this space too. Imagine doing schoolwork or even working from home or away from home in this thing. This also is another sleeping space if you need it, and it's a pretty big one, or if you just want to make it into a big bed for a movie because it's right in front of that entertainment system. This definitely would be awesome. We also have all these windows that open up, so if it's hot, you can open them up, but if it's cold, we can definitely keep warm in here. Next to me is our fridge as well, and it's massive on the inside. And I love how close it is to the kitchen, so let's check that out. Our sink and our stove and our fridge is all in a sort of triangle workspace here, with an extension right in the middle. So we've got extra countertop space, a good place for a trash can. We also have lots and lots of storage for extra cleaning supplies and a small trash can. We've got a large sink to do dishes and plenty of places to put cooking, baking sheets, some spices, ingredients like that. Our countertop space is big enough for a resident coffee maker if you wanted to keep one there forever, which I would. And I love that we've got plenty of drawers in our kitchen space for cooking. And we've got ones for our entertainment space with just a little bit extra room for extra board games or even DVDs to watch on your smart TV located above. But let's check out a little bit more of our entertainment space in the bunk room. I always imagine the bunk spaces as being the funnest place in the camper for the kids because it's their private space, and this one's pretty cool. It's jungle gym-like. So at the bottom base, we have a pretty big, it's a double size teddy bear mattress bunk with its own light, its own small window, and its own little hideout area down here. Or you can be on the top of the room with either twin size bunk. Both of those have their own windows too, as well as one in the middle of the room over here. We've got lots of drawers and places to put maybe game consoles. If we want to put a TV in this room, that would be cool. And we actually have our stairs set into our shelves, and they are reinforced. So I like that you don't have a set of stairs in the middle of somewhere or have to store it when you're going around. This is a really cool bunk room for some really awesome memories to be made. But let's take a look at the bedroom and the bathroom at the front of the camper. Here we are, just up our stairs towards the front of the camper. I've got all of our pocket doors closed so you can sort of get a feel of how big this space is. We do have 2 lights in this hallway, so it's pretty bright, as well as the lighting coming from the entryway. One thing to note about the slide, once it's in, you may not be able to get to that bunk room, but you can definitely get to any of these areas of the camper, as well as some of your pantry space. But let's step into this door, which is the bathroom. The bathroom is a spacious one of this floor plan. We've got a vent fan as well as a skylight, so lots of lighting in this area. We also have plenty of countertop space with a really large sink and even a larger mirror. There's another one above the toilet, but it gives you extra storage for your shower, which is really spacious. I like the frosted glass. Again, they do store for travel. This is a really good quality faucet here, and you actually have the clothesline located in this one too. And not many people talk about this, but I love this little clothesline. If you've got a wet bathing suit or you want to make sure your gear is ready for you in the morning, you can hang up some stuff in the shower and come get ready for hunting early in the morning. I don't know, just some ideas. What would you use it for? Let us know in the comments below. But next, the bedroom. Now the bedroom is the place where we have another one of those changes from that floor plan 28BH. We did have a full slide with a wardrobe in it, so that's a 3-door wardrobe with a few extra drawers below it, but we still have another wardrobe that's pretty big, and it's mirrored front just like the other one, and there's 3 drawers, so you still have a lot of space, but you're just maybe missing maybe a quarter of that. Above me, we do have extra storage, which could make up for a lot of that, especially the drawers. And each side, there's another compartment as well that could be used for some of your more important things. But we also have side tables on each side with that new sconce layout or design, I guess. It was a different one. I want to know if you guys prefer this one or maybe the older one. You can check that out in some of our other videos from the previous years, but I like the upgrade. We also have charging ports as far as outlets on each side and a USB charging port right in the middle for you guys. And this is a really comfortable space. You can walk around the bed. I've got great head height in here. There's also 2 windows. One of them is massive, so it definitely feels like a home away from home. But what do you think about this camper and this new floor plan? Have any questions? Leave us a comment below or give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine. And did you know that you can text our store number if you want to have some details but maybe you're short on time? Give us a text and visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.